Today I'm going to be talking about snakes, more specifically snakes in NC. Many people fear snakes, but do not understand them and misidentify them. My speech today will hopefully help some of these misconceptions. There are 37 different species of snakes. Only 6 of these are venomous. These snakes are the copperhead, cottonmouth, timber rattlesnake, eastern diamondback rattlesnake, pygmy rattlesnake, and the eastern coral snake. The copperhead is found in all areas of NC. This is the most common venomous snake in NC. It has light brown with dark brown hourglass-shaped markings on it. It eats mice, small birds, insects, and frogs. Many people misidentify the northern water snake as being a copperhead. The difference between the two is that the copperhead has a triangular head which holds the venom sacs. Cottonmouths are in the eastern part of the state, and they are semi-aquatic pit vipers that have dark crossbands on an olive background. Younger ones have more reddish brown color. It is a close relative to the copperhead. The timber rattlesnake is a snake that has a very large body with dark crossbands on it, or chevrons, on a lighter dark brown background. They usually have a black tail. They are most commonly found in the mountains of NC, coastal plains, and the Piedmont area. Next is the eastern diamondback rattlesnake. These are the largest species of rattlesnake in the world and the most dangerous snake in the U.S. They have a series of dark diamonds outlined in black running the length of the gray, yellow, or yellowish back. The eastern diamondback rattlesnakes are found most commonly in the sandy pine flatwoods in the southeastern coastal plain. Pygmy rattlesnakes is the smallest species of rattlesnakes in the U.S. They are usually dull gray in a row of dark spots running down the center of their back and their sides. The rattle of this snake is so small it sounds like a small insect buzzing around. The eastern coral snake is a really slender snake with red, yellow, and black rings. This snake is commonly misidentified with the scarlet king snake. But the difference between the two is that on the scarlet king snake, the red is touching the black, but on the coral snake, the red is touching the yellow. A saying that can help you remember the important fact is, red on black, friend of Jack. Red on yellow, kills a fellow. Coral snakes are extremely rare, but when found, they can be in the southeastern part of the state. Hopefully, after listening to this speech, you will be able to not fear as much and have more confidence in identifying the ones you should avoid. These snakes serve a good part in the ecosystem in North Carolina, and we should all do our part in letting them play their role. Thank you for listening to my speech.